Today is a spectacular day where we're looking to give away an XY GT replica that we built from scratch from a base XY 1970 model Ford Falcon. We've been living the dream of being born this way and just wanting to continuously modify. This is a very exciting day and we've got a very lucky winner here, Neil Horsley. Check that out, Neil. Look at that, man. Well done. It's all yours. Woo!
When I got the phone call, the first thing, I just couldn't believe what he was saying on there, you know. I thought, what's going on here? I was gobsmacked. When I watched the build videos again after knowing that I'd won it, it was like that's my car. And then when they were saying someone could win it, I was going, yeah, mate, I've won it, you know, it's mine. When I got home from work, I started telling the whole family, mate. Went over, seen the old man and mum and that, and told them, and showed them the pictures of it, and they just couldn't believe it. It's like nothing like this ever happens. Like, we don't know anybody that's ever won anything. I probably will change my life because I've always loved 70s muscle cars. I've never been able to afford or to get one myself because with mortgages and stuff. And then the XY, you've always seen that and you think that's like the unattainable type of car, you know. When it came out, it was the fastest production car built, and now it's like, I own one. It's unbelievable. The whole family's going to want to see it, so I'm going to be showing it off to everybody. Friends are going to want to see it, going to want to go for a drive in it, you know, so I think I'm going to be busy driving it for a while. No, it was good having all the Nulon people here, you know. Without them, this wouldn't have happened, so yeah, it was great to talk to Bill from BK Engines, telling me about all the things that went into the engine. It's like the type of thing you don't normally get if you've just bought a car from somewhere, you know, because you actually got the guy who built the engine telling you what's the best way to look after it and everything. It was like really invaluable information. And Dawsey and that, you know, they were all, and Matt showing me everything, the little touches they've put on everything. It was like really good. You know, you notice stuff that you probably wouldn't have noticed at first, and then they pointed it out, and it's like, yeah, it was really good. Yeah, so I think it's gone to a very good home. I think I'm going to look after it, you know. I'm not the type of guy that will fry the tyres every second I've got, but I'm sure I'll get some smoke out of them. So yeah, I think I'll have a good time with it.